Hey folks, Todd here. Today we're going to install the 5-inch 1000 series Nerf bars from RealTruck on this 2024 Ford F-150. Now this is a similar installation to the 4-inch 1000 series as well as the OE Extreme series sidebars. The tools we'll be using for this installation are a ratchet and a 13mm socket. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're going to start on the passenger side, just behind the front tire. We're going to go along the rocker panel and notice we've got 3 mounting locations. Each of those locations have factory threaded bolts coming out of the rocker panel. In your kit, you're going to have brackets. They're all the exact same bracket, and they're going to line up to those locations. We're going to slide the bracket over top of each one of those locations and then use the included hardware. We've got a flat washer, followed by a lock washer, followed by a nut. We're going to fasten those down by hand, just hand tight for right now. Place the running board on top of a bracket. You'll notice there is an open channel on the bottom side of the running board. In your kit, you'll also have some double nut plates. So you're going to go up inside the channel of the running board and then go over top of the brackets and turn sideways and line up the threaded holes in the double nut plate with the holes in the brackets. Then we're going to take our included hardware, which is a bolt with a washer attached, go up through the bracket into the double nut plate and fasten those in place as well. Then what we're going to do is center the board back and forth before we tighten everything down to get it set exactly where we want it. Then we can go ahead and lock it down with a 13mm. Now we can go ahead and tighten the brackets of the truck, also using a 13mm. I'll repeat the same process on the opposite side. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts, visit us online, or check out our list of dealers near you.